Hello guys, welcome back to Classy Traders. So I was just watching into the stocks today which have given a good breakout. So I found Maruti Suzuki after the results were out today in the afternoon. The results are available in the Economic Times, or we can say on the web, on the Google also you can find it out. So the Maruti Suzuki Q3 results, which was for the last year, that is October, November and December months. So the profit falls 48% year on year to rupees 1011 crore, but it has beat the street, what the street has estimated, or NSE or BSE. So it is known as streets. So what that has estimated, it has beaten that. I will be covering this in the next video, why even if the profit falls, why the share has risen. So I will cover up in the next in my one of the next video. So coming back to the chart, I have seen that the stock has given a good breakout with the volume, so which is a positive sign to make a position in it. If I take you to the bigger time frame, that is weekly time frame, so this stock was actually consolidating since 2018. Here you can see on the date. So the stock was actually consolidating from October 2018 and it has consolidated. So this is a COVID fall and this stock has consolidated a lot and finally it has given a breakout. So I think, as per my view, that this can be a good buy and take a target till 10,000 rupees. 10,000 rupees, and if 10,000, if it faces some resistance as 10,000, then you can book the profit, or you can hold, or you can book a partial profit as well, because this might be a good stock for a long run if you can hold it. So this was my view. I just wanted to share it with you guys. Thank you so much. See you in the next video, guys.